Is pizza healthy food or unhealthy food? Which?
Unhealthy food.
All right. Where should we put it?
Yes.
All right. Good job. Is broccoli healthy or unhealthy?
But healthy.
Healthy. Can you put it in the healthy bin? Is grapes healthy or unhealthy food? Healthy. Can you put it in the healthy bin? Good job. Healthy or unhealthy food? Can you put it in the proper bin where it belongs? It's unhealthy. Healthy or unhealthy? Healthy? Yes. Can you put it in the proper bin for me?